Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for web development. First, install Python and a good code editor, such as Visual Studio Code, on your computer. Next, grasp the fundamental Python syntax, including variables, loops, and functions. Finally, learn to use virtual environments to keep your project dependencies organized and separate. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth learning journey. Next, dive into Python's powerful web frameworks. Flask is excellent for smaller, more flexible projects, offering a minimalist approach. For larger, more complex applications, Django provides a comprehensive, batteries-included solution. Understand how these frameworks handle requests, render templates, and interact with databases to build dynamic web pages. Data is central to nearly every web application. Begin by learning the basics of SQL to manage your databases effectively. Then, explore object relational mappers, such as SQL Alchemy, which simplify database interactions using Python code. Finally, understand how to build RESTful APIs, enabling your front-end and back-end to communicate seamlessly and efficiently. The final steps involve making your application accessible and interactive. Integrate front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create engaging user interfaces. Learn to deploy your completed web application to a cloud platform, making it available to users worldwide. Remember, consistent practice by building small projects is key to mastering web development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.